What's up, thrill seekers? Today I just got off of Stardust Racers at the brand new Universal's Epic Universe, and I've got one thing to say. This coaster blew me away. I'm breaking it all down in this review. Both sides, the drill, the length, and yet I even gotta say, it's better than the VelociCoaster. Let's get on to this. This isn't just another dueling roller coaster. Stardust Racers is the next level experience that turns the concept of a launch coaster into a dogfight. And if you're wondering which side is more tense, stick around because the green side packs a punch you won't see coming. So here's what you need to know about Stardust Racers. Stardust Racers is a dual launch coaster located in Celestial Park area of Epic Universe. 2 tracks, Green Comet and Yellow Comet. Twist, dives, launch side by side, creating some of the best near-miss moments I ever experienced on a roller coaster. Seriously, it feels like you're racing through space. The Zeman is out of the world, literally. You're part of cosmic competition, and the entire cue set the tone of the sudden visual looks, space vibes, and that signature Universal attraction detail. Because everyone knows Universal does attractions detailed in the best. But let's talk about the ride itself. This thing is long. You're getting airtime, launch inversions, and some wild sideways moments that makes every second count. You feel like you're dueling the entire time. There's a multiple head chopper moments where you swear you're about to collide with the other train. It's a rush. Okay, here's my hot take. I've been a die-hard VelociCoaster fan for years. I love that ride. But Stardust Racer just took the top spot for me. It's fast-paced, it's longer, it's a dueling aspect. Just makes it feel like it's alive. It makes me feel alive. And while both tracks are amazing, the green side is definitely more tense. The force hits harder, especially on the launches and the turns. And if you're a drill junkie just like me, go green. This is now my new favorite coaster. I never thought I'll say that Universal has outdone themselves with this one. It's not just fun, it's memorable. You'll come off laughing, out of breath, want to sprint back to the entrance. So, final thoughts. Stardust Racers is a must ride. Whether you're team green, team yellow, you gotta get on that ride. It's fast, wild, and one of the best Universal has ever created. If you're heading to Epic Universe, do not skip this coaster. It's everything you need in a headliner attraction. And then if you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more theme park content. Let me know in the comment section which side do you ride and which one was your favorite. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay drilling, my friend.